Sometimes YouTube keeps showing the same videos again and again, and you know you're not interested in, but it keeps showing the same video or a channel that you're not really interested. So I'm gonna show you how to stop YouTube from showing that channel or that video again and again. The trick is, go to that video, you will see 3 dots, click on that 3 dots. In here you have an option saying not interested. That means YouTube would not show that video again for you. Or you can say don't recommend channel. If you select this, then that video would be removed and YouTube would not recommend any other videos from that channel. If you click on more information, you can learn here a bit more about what does it means. More often than not, YouTube shows videos from channels that you haven't even subscribed. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.